Hello everyone, my name is Paramjeet Kaur and I'm an IELTS trainer at English Wars Academy. I see that many students are struggling with listening module as they are not able to achieve their desired score. So here's one tip for you all, please listen to it very carefully. Every night before you sleep, just plug in your headphones and listen to any exam level listening and try to understand its tone and meaning rather than paying attention to the question set. In fact, do not even have a single look at the question set. And when this 30-minute or so video is over, what you're supposed to do is solve the questions without listening to the audio, okay? And the results are going to amaze you. Start your IELTS listening journey with us, as every night we're going to post one exam level listening on our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel and be a part of that 30-day mini course and see dramatic change in your score. All the best guys, God bless.